Automated referencing is a process of generating citations and bibliographies using software tools. These tools are designed to help researchers, students, and professionals properly attribute sources in their work. Here's an overview of how automated referencing works and some popular tools available. How automated referencing works. Input source information. Users input the details of their sources, such as author, title, publication date, and publisher. This can be done manually or by importing data from databases or online sources. Choose citation style. Users select the required citation style, example APA, MLA, Chicago, Harvard. Generate citations. The tool processes the input data and formats it according to the chosen citation style, creating in-text citations and bibliographies. Integration with word processors. Many referencing tools integrate with word processors like Microsoft Word and Google Docs, allowing users to insert citations directly into their documents and automatically update their bibliographies. Popular automated referencing tools. EndNote, a comprehensive reference management tool that helps users organize references and create bibliographies. It offers extensive features for importing references, managing PDFs, and collaboration. Zotero, an open-source reference manager that allows users to collect, organize, cite, and share research sources. Zotero can automatically import bibliographic data from websites. Mendeley, a reference manager and academic social network that helps users organize research, collaborate online, and discover the latest research. Mendeley can generate citations and bibliographies in multiple styles. RefWorks, a web-based reference management service that simplifies the process of citing sources and creating bibliographies. It is widely used in academic institutions. Cite This For Me, an online citation tool that supports various citation styles and allows users to quickly generate citations by entering source details or using its search feature to find sources. BibTeX, often used in conjunction with LaTeX, BibTeX is a tool for formatting lists of references. It is especially popular in the fields of science and engineering. Benefits of automated referencing. Time saving. Automates the tedious task of formatting citations and bibliographies. Accuracy. Reduces the risk of errors in citation formatting. Consistency. Ensures that all citations are uniformly formatted according to the chosen style. Ease of use. Simplifies the process of managing references and generating bibliographies. Using automated referencing tools. To use an automated referencing tool effectively, gather source information, collect all necessary details about your sources. Select a tool, choose a tool that meets your needs and is compatible with your preferred citation style. Input data, enter source information manually or import it from databases or websites. Choose citation style, select the appropriate citation style for your work. Generate citations. Use the tool to create in-text citations and a bibliography. Review and edit. Check the generated citations for accuracy and make any necessary adjustments. Automated referencing tools streamline the citation process, making it easier for users to focus on their research and writing without worrying about the intricacies of citation formatting.